Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain about the 9 and 10 modern house design tour. This is 9 meter and 10 meter I mean, so we can see about the interior and exterior look with the modern contemporary style over there for the front and another side of this house of this interior or the living room and the plan and the bathroom and the bedroom over there, so we can see about the exploration about this design of this house. Okay, so we can see about the front of this house with a modern contemporary style, so we can get a lot of some design idea between the door design and window design and combination of the lumber ceiling of this front house anyway, so we can see about the elegant simple column or support of this terrace. And this is about the side position of this house. It has different stone wall over there. We can see about the semi gold or yellow color of this stone wall of this exterior side. So we can look about the back side of this house. It has a large garden over there. That's a large door window and door glazing over there, because it has kitchen and the dining room on the back side over there, so we can see about the arrangement of this wood panel over there. And this is about the wood. Okay, this is about the floor plan. We can see it has two bedroom over there and one bathroom in the outside, and it has one living room and one guest room and the kitchen and dining room in the back side. Okay, this is about the living room of this house anyway. This is about the living room and guest room also. So we can see about the simple arrangement, and this is about the open layout design of the kitchen and dining room. So it has refrigerator area, 4 seat capacity of dining room, and this is about the bedroom with the queen size and the wardrobe on the built-in position. And this is another side of the bedroom with the wardrobe also. And we can look at the arrangement of the backside of this bed and about the simple minimalist modern wardrobe design and door design over there. It make look interior cool and modern vibes over there. And then we can see about the combination with the wall and the floor. And this is about the bathroom design with a simple elegant and